Toyota INNOVA debuts TNGA-based MPV, 3rd gen is larger, gets hybrid power and active safety. Committed to continuing to deliver ever better cars that are environmentally friendly, Toyota has launched the all-new INNOVA. The all-new INNOVA promises superior driving performance by adopting the TNGA platform and engine, as well as the 5th-generation Toyota hybrid system technology. The all-new INNOVA is designed to realize comfortable and safe mobility while supporting Toyota's vision of creating ever better cars for a more sustainable and inclusive world, as well as to reduce carbon emissions, inheriting several features from the previous generation. The all-new INNOVA comes as a model that is spacious, customer-centric, and environmentally friendly. The 7th generation of INNOVA includes fundamental and comprehensive changes. One of them is the TNGA GSC platform with a monocoque structure that replaces the ladder-on-frame structure. This new platform allows Toyota engineers to embed the latest advanced technologies on the all-new INNOVA, such as the 2.0-liter TNGA engine, the 5th-generation Toyota hybrid system, and the 10-speed direct shift CVT transmission to deliver superior driving performance and fuel consumption, which is more efficient at the same time. More than that, the TNGA GSC platform also provides space for Toyota engineers to increase body rigidity, reduce car weight, and reduce sound entering the car cabin in order to increase stability and comfort when in motion. The all-new INNOVA comes with the glamorous and tough exterior concept. The formidable impression can be seen from the front, thanks to the new crossover front looks with the new front grille design, which is equipped with an LED headlamp. Moving sideways, an aura like a luxury SUV emanates from the new fascinating 18 inches alloy wheel, as well as the straighter A-pillars and the sloping D-pillars strengthening the body type of the SUV. While on the back, the three-dimensional structure through the new rear combination lamp reinforces the emotional and dynamic impression. It doesn't stop there. This vehicle is also equipped with various advanced, luxurious, and best-in-class features and technology according to the trends and needs of millennial families with global values. The new INNOVA comes with panoramic retractable roof, new captain seat with ottoman, new 10 inches head unit with smartphone connectivity, new 10 inches dual rear seat entertainment, advanced safety technology Toyota Safety Sense 3.0.